So I'm about to take you in, no doubt, the worst house that I've seen since 2004. Well, let me reframe that. It's the worst bathrooms that I've seen from doing this business in 2004. So hopefully we'll walk through. I'm hoping how this thing's gonna go. We'll walk through it, and then we'll go back to the office to go over some of these numbers. Make sure that you are in for something that I've never seen before. So make sure you get your gut checked. This is not for a weak, what you're getting ready to see is not for a weak stomach. Okay, let's go. Okay, class, it's Kris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So today, I'm at a new property we're getting ready to deal with here, close on it. We'll see what's going to happen here. We should be closing any day. But I'm doing this one so you can see what do real estate investors, this is the truth. I don't want you to see all the pretty stuff. This is the down, dirty, and ugly stuff that we have to deal with. Show them the neighborhood here, Morgan, so they can take a look. Houses look cool. Everybody's taking care of their yards. As I am here in 100-degree weather, I'm burning up in this Tyvek suit here. I don't want this stuff to get on me when we go inside. You can see the neighborhood looks sweet, Morgan. Looks good. Neighbors taking care, pride of ownership. The neighbors here looks good here, no problems. Our house is probably the worst one. Take a look, show them the house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property. Come on down here a little bit, Morgan. Want people to see this. So you can see there, some of the siding has come off of the property, so no doubt the water has kind of been protruding through down in there. You want to zoom in? Probably zoom in here like this. There you go. The siding's come off. I don't know why. I don't know how. But hopefully we will go back to the office to show you these numbers if I can make it all work, all congruent. We got the stamped concrete right here. But the backstory on this one was, show them the concrete, Morgan. It's really nice. This stamped concrete. The backstory is this lead came in through my geek squad, my internet team. They source all day leads for us. And if you need a lead source, also that link will be in the video description if you need leads for your business too. See, the stamped concrete is nice. But the backstory is, seller had a brain tumor, poor thing, and had a surgery. And then after he had surgery, I didn't know this, but your brain doesn't quite work as well after the surgery. So the house just went down, and he was using the bathroom, and then he started not flushing the toilet, and it just went crazy after that. So let's take a look in here. We're probably gonna be a $60,000, $70,000 reno. Got your mask? Oh, put a mask on. Thank you for working with me, Morgan. Put a mask on this one. Good God Almighty.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, it's rough. We're gonna be here just a few minutes. So we got bathroom number 1 here. This is shit you gotta deal with, okay? I don't think there's any power in here. You don't gotta go in there. Oh, the power one. So you see all this stuff. We got maggots on there, maggots all in there, old maggots. But then the toilet hadn't been flushed for who knows how long. Toilet's black. Just ridiculous. Who knows? You see stuff moving there. We got larvae. Good God help me. I don't want nobody to have to go in there. So, what do you think about that, buddy? That's nasty, right? So this stuff here is just stuff that they left. So I'm presuming whenever you have brain surgery, the lady told me that the brain doesn't quite come back right. We're good, we're good. Look up here, right here. Come back here a little bit. So you can see that, turn around. Remember we saw that roof leaking? So that water's coming in down through the roof there. Oh man, that's nasty. This is just a bedroom here. It's nothing to see here, really. So, as we come in, and you can see the house really isn't that bad. Actually, it's just the bathrooms. So the lady was like, I know what it was. I know what happened. The water, he was living here with no water. So he just started going to the bathroom, and he couldn't flush the toilet, couldn't wash the dishes, and this is what happens to the sink when you don't wash the dishes in months and months and months. He's got that stamped concrete out here too. The stamped concrete is real nice. So whoever gets this will have a nice place to have their summer cookouts. I don't even want to go in the refrigerator.
Ooh, open it.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, still got food. All right, food still in. Food chilling. Damn, I wonder how old this food is. Damn.
Like what? Hooters?
Hooters? Hooters wing sauce. Yeah, I don't know. Man, this stuff has no doubt been in here for a long time. Good Lord. Woo. All right, let's go upstairs. So give them a nice pan, Morgan, from over there when you're coming up the stairs. So this is the primary bedroom up here. And you can see the funk and the aroma gets worse as we come up the stairs. This is the Mac Daddy, y'all. This is what's really scaring me to do this deal. Boy, it's smelling worse, ain't it, buddy? This is the bedroom where the guy was sleeping at. So, oh my Lord, this smells like somebody just took a doo-doo in a bucket and just painted the walls with it. Good God. So here's the bathroom. Here's the Mac Daddy. So when you have it, no water in the property. Harry, quickly, get it. All right, you're good. Let's get the toilet. This is when you don't have any. Oh my God! When you don't have any water running in the property, and the owner can't flush your toilet, you just started taking the doo-doo in the tub. Good God, help him. God rest his. Woo! When you start taking the doo-doo in the tub, you know you're in trouble. Here you go. When you got a doo-doo in the tub, you're in trouble, Roundup homies. Good God, so we just hold our breath. Let's get out of here. Oh my Lord, so maybe we go back to the office and take a look at these numbers to see what's going on this one.
Today's video is sponsored by Fund and Grow. They set up business credit lines that aren't tied to your personal credit score. Now you could use that money to go buy your next investment property, to do renovations on your house, marketing for your company, new office space to get a lease, buy inventory, or just growing your business in general. Now, since we do so much volume with these guys, they're giving my Roundup family a discount on their services. But the only way to get that discount is you've got to go through my special link. It's located in the description of this video below. Head on over there to find out how much you qualify for. So the thing that I want you to understand when you're hanging out on my channel right here, I only offer you the truth. I only want you to see the reality of what us real estate investors, including you, either are going through right now or look forward to going through. You see, this is a people business. You must solve the problems of people. All right, now we're gonna say a prayer for my homie that had to have that brain tumor. I only offer you the truth. I feel like I'm Morpheus in Matrix. Only the truth. You see, this business is not going to be pretty. And in fact, the larger the problems you solve, the bigger your payday will be. Okay? So nobody wants to walk into a bathroom full of poop. I dragged my daughter out there. I had to pay her to come. It's just nasty, right? But the fact is that I know that nobody else wants to deal with this stuff. So what do? We take on all those burdens, all those problems, all those issues, all the mental issues that you go through when you actually see a bathroom that looks like that. You know what? Bring them on over here. Why? Because I've trained myself to remember. I have to remind myself, real winning entrepreneurs and the most successful people run two problems while everybody else is running away. Okay? Now, if my seller's watching this, I appreciate you for working with me. No disrespect to you and your family. I just want to share with my community what we have to deal with. So this is a fix and flip, okay? The ARV on this one I found was around 340 to 350K. The Roundup homies, y'all already know me. I'm mad low on the ARV, so it could be more than that, but I'm ultra conservative, not in the Republican instance, not regarding no Democrat, Republican stuff or political parties. I'm talking about on my numbers. I'm real low. All right, I don't need to get this thing sold. Our reno is going to be 60 to 65. And here I'm opposite. I'm always higher on the renovation because I know things pop up. The siding, we don't know what's behind the siding. We don't know what's in the flooring, the subfloor, how much wood we got to rip out, how much poop we got to clean out. We just don't know if the plumbing's backed up. We have no idea. So I'm going to bank 60, probably going to be closer to 60 because of that beautiful exterior is already done. I don't have anything on the exterior. Now the hard costs, this is where most investors get killed. Realtor fees, interest, taxes and insurance, closing costs, and maintenance. Okay, so now, hard costs. Let's start here with the realtor fees. Yes, it's realtor. Yes, realtor, not realtor. Come on, guys, say it with me. If you're watching right now, say it with me. Realtor. There's no A after the L. Good God, help me. So generally speaking, you get 6% on realtor fees. But as you know, we deal with something called a flat fee broker, and that's going to go down to 3%. Okay, the flat fee broker is going to chop that in half. Now, if you have no idea how to find, how to locate, or how to interface, or even talk to a broker that's going to allow you to save $10,000 on a house like this, I did a video right there. Go watch the video. I'm showing you step by step how to find one of these brokers in your area. All right, you can't just do a Google search for flat fee brokers. It just doesn't exist. So we only pay 3% when we sell. So I got $10,000 in realtor fees. Oh, that's dollars right here. Boom. Okay, interest, let's just say it's gonna cost me 4 to 5 grand. Taxes and insurance, a couple grand. Closing costs gonna be 3, 4, 5,000 for me to buy it and sell it. And then maintenance. You got, it's blazing hot outside. You got central heating in there, water bill, gas bill, and cutting the grass, and somebody coming in, sweeping the floors when we're selling it. That this stuff adds up. So all this adds up for me roughly to about 22,000. Okay. Now, if you have to pay 6%, you better add another 10,000 on it. So you're gonna pay 32,000 just to sell this thing. Now, let me preface this by saying I'm still in a market where I don't have to pay closing costs for the buyer. Now, when I came up through the ranks, a lot of years, I'm going to say 7 or 8 years, I had to pay closing costs for the buyer. That means adding on another 3%. So you might be paying $40,000 just to sell this thing if you're not using a flat fee broker. So keep that in mind, all right? The stuff adds up. Our purchase price of what I offered the homeowner was $210,000, right? $210K to get her out of this thing. So when I went in, I'm here to tell you, it seems like the less I want to do deals, the more they start sticking to you. There's something about sellers and human beings in general. They love confidence, and humans love dealing with people that don't necessarily need to deal with them. Like, I could take this house, I could take it or leave it. I don't need this deal. I got plenty of stuff going on. So when you go look at a property and you hang out with a homeowner, don't be so desperate. Don't get deal-itis is what I call it. That's when you want a deal so bad. I got to do the deal. People can tell, especially women. Good Lord, women can tell. For all my men out there, if you're desperate for a girl, they're gonna run from you. I don't know why it works like that. But if you're like, you know what, I'm good by myself, homie. I don't need a chick. I don't need a female. I don't need a lady. That's when the girls start coming in, guys. Just give me your little tip, okay? So all this stuff, we're gonna take our ARV roughly, back out 65K, back out 22K, and back out our purchase price of 210K. Our profit is going to be between 43 and 53,000 on this deal. Okay. Now, that's an average deal because it's going to take me 4 to 5 months, maybe even 6 months to get out of this thing. So that's only $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month profit. All right. It's not like I'm becoming a millionaire doing real estate flips. It just doesn't happen unless you're doing 20, 30, 40 of them a year. All right, so get that out of your mind that you're going to be a real estate millionaire doing fix and flips. All right, 50 grand is all you're going to make. And if a lot of people think I'm going to be willing and dealing doing 10 to 20 houses at a time, you got to think about it. If you do 20 houses at a time, let's just say each house is 100,000. You got to have access to $2 million of capital. All right, so just these little things, don't be just talking stuff. Back down and make sure you're clear with your vision. All right. Roundup, thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. It is just an honor as we pass 125,000 subscribers. I remember, as I'm walking up to do the video, I remember when we had 3,000 subscribers. So now we're here passing, hopefully, I guess my goal, I have to get a goal to go to 1 million subscribers. And the only way to do that is if you share this content, because I feel that this is the realest channel on YouTube. All right. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, like the content, and there's a link in the video description to join our email address. I will be opening up my Discord very, very soon. It's going to give you access to me, and I'll be answering questions on there, not all day, but one time a day to get your questions answered. And yes, it's going to cost you a few dollars a month, but I feel that I need to give you a little more access, just a baby step, being that I got family, wife, life, all this stuff going on. I don't have so much time to give you. All right, so my Discord will allow me to serve you a little bit more than just making videos. All right. I have much love to you and your family, and I'll see you on the next video. So stay tuned as we put this one back together. It's going to be crazy. All right. Peace.